Hi. So if you're new, hi.
Hi.
तू हाय बोल के चला जा. हाय बोल दे पहले. हाय. Okay, bye.
Hold up.
Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Stephanie and I would really appreciate if you take a moment and subscribe to my channel below. So as you might have guessed by the title of the video, yes, I did the Chloe Ting's 2-week shred challenge and I would like to say it was not easy at all, but I really have worked very hard for this video. So then please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon below to be notified whenever I post. So to basically give you a heads up, I was on my weight loss journey since April 2020, since we were in this lockdown, and I decided that I want to do something for my life, and yes, I did. So since April to June, when I started 15th June, when I started this, I think 15th or 17th April, I started my weight loss journey, and till 15th of June, I had lost 10 to 11 kgs. And for that, I have a separate video planned, so stay tuned for that. While I was on my weight loss journey, I came across a lot of different videos for exercises, diets and stuff like that, and yes, I was binge watching them daily and trying to adapt them and do them in my daily life. I took up the Chloe Ting challenge basically because of the fact that I had hit my weight loss plateau, and regarding a weight loss plateau, I will do another video, sorry, but please stay tuned for that as well. Weight loss plateau is basically that you hit your you stop reducing weight. Your body gets accustomed to the kind of diet and the kind of exercises that you're doing, so it stops reducing your weight. So that's when I came across this Chloe Ting challenge and I thought, let's do it. So it was 15th of June when I decided to basically get myself into this. It's a 2-week schedule and basically 14 days. I'm going to show you my weight on 15th of June. So this is how much I weighed on 15th of June. Yes, it was 69.1 and I was ranging between 68 and 69 because there's a 1 to 2 kg range where you weigh daily depending on the time that you're weighing yourself and depending on what you've eaten that day. So I was on 15th when I took my weight, I was 69.1 kgs. So I did not record a lot of the exercises while I was doing them because I wanted to give my 100% to the exercises and get the best results. So basically I recorded something on the first day. I will insert the clips right now. Hi guys, so it's day 1 of my Chloe Ting challenge and I will insert the weight right now. And I'm breaking out also. So today is the 15th of June and it's Monday, so I'm starting it today itself till 2 weeks. Now I think it will be 29th of June, somewhat like that. I think 14 days and sorry. So I just finished, we just finished the first set and there's a 15-second break, but we're taking a 30-second break. So we'll see you guys again. Look at how we were sweating. Okay, bye. Easy नहीं है. Easy नहीं है मोहिनी का dance. Oh my god, it's very difficult. It's very difficult. And we just finished 2 sets. We're going on to the 3rd one, and so we do it, and I will not be recording like this after the first day because I have to concentrate on the exercise. So this is just today. I'll keep walking you through each day, maybe place the camera somewhere and then, but let's go to the 3rd set now. Bye guys. So it's day 2. This is my halat. That's me. And I'm done with the first part of the video. Second part is left for day 2 and it gets easier. So not recording the exercises as of now because I'm just concentrating on the exercises. So Just like, look
Find
at the
yourself.
amount of sweat.
Find
Guys.
yourself. Find yourself a workout partner because you cannot do this alone.
Can't, you will not have the motivation, not feel motivated enough. And this is what I'm going through.
But it's worth it and it's fun.
And guys, you saw that I was literally struggling. It is not easy in the beginning. I could barely do 80% of the workout, and I used to stop. I used to not even complete the 30-second bar of each exercise. I used to just give up in the last 7 seconds. Like when there was 7 seconds left, I used to just drop down, and a lot of the exercises I wouldn't even get myself up to. I wasn't even able to get up again and do those exercises. Mind you, I was doing some kind of exercise prior to this, but still this was tough because HIIT exercises, which is HIIT, are really very, very tough. So because you require your entire body to be working, and they just give you very less time to breathe. So now I'll quickly talk about a few mistakes that you might make, or which I also made at the beginning, which you shouldn't, which might hamper your goals and your results. So in any planking exercise, be it plank jacks, be it up and down planks, normal plank, or even mountain climbers, do not lift your hips up high. That will not give you the desired result, and try to keep it as low and as like parallel to the ground as possible. It is tough, but you need to engage your core, and that is how it will happen. Engage your glutes and your core basically. And my dog is just like, Alfie. Yeah, that's a camera stand. Yeah, thanks. So basically, if you keep your back as flat as possible, the more closer or the more easier it will become to engage your core. So the second point is also similar to the first point, that always doing any exercise, be it cloeting, be it any other exercise that you're doing, always keep your core sucked in while breathing out for that tiny waist result if you want that way. So the third point is that listen to Chloe when she's telling you when you have to breathe in and when you have to breathe out, because breathing is very important and when you're breathing is very important. So listen to Chloe. And the last point that I want to make is that wear shoes. I made the mistake of not wearing them. It really I had blisters on my feet, and which was not good, and which hampered it will not hamper your results basically, but it will hamper the way you do them, because for at least I think 2 days I couldn't put my feet down and work out. So also there is the schedule that you need to follow, and for that I will mention all of the schedules down in my description box below with Chloe Ting's video links, because I cannot show you all of the exercises and I can't do them with you. She does it perfectly. She's an angel and I love her figure. So I will mention everything down in the description box below, so do check that out. Before the reveal, you need to understand I have generally cut down on a lot of things from my life. Like I don't eat processed foods like white bread, white rice, maida or all-purpose flour. Sugar is a serious no-no. Cereals, no. No alcohol. Instead of sugar, you can have stevia or honey. No brown sugar also, guys. It is one and the same thing. It's nothing else. Instead of white rice, you can have brown rice. Multigrain bread, not brown bread. And there are a lot more changes that I did to my life, for not only for weight loss but for a healthier lifestyle, and which I feel a lot of difference in my life after doing. So yes, these are a few points that you need to remember, and then see my transformation after the 2 weeks challenge. So this comes to imply that food is a very important component, you guys, and it is true. Whoever said it, it is damn true that you look what you eat, and 70 to 80% is your diet. Exercises can only help you maintain your weight, but for reducing your weight, food is the way to go. Change your food habits. Junk, no. Maida, no. Even these small things you change. If you don't want to die, don't starve yourself. Don't portion yourself, but just shift to a healthier lifestyle, and you'll see wonders happening. Now, my weight as on 28th June is ta-da! It's 65.7, and the day that I'm recording it, I'm 65.3. Yippee! I've seriously lost weight because of my diet as well. But if you're not only concentrating on if you're not like portioning your food, because I am very strict about my diet. I take only certain calories in an entire day, and if you're not doing that, then definitely this is still going to work for you, because it's going to tone your body, it's going to tone your stomach area, basically your belly fat. But generally, people, if you're not losing weight with this, you will definitely see a difference in your core, in your you'll feel better, you'll feel active, and you'll also feel a lot of inches lost here and there in your around your belly area. So yeah, that is the difference that you can see, because what you lose in fat, you gain in muscle. So that's not a bad thing, that's very good. Moving on, now I'm going to insert a picture of a comparison. 15th June me versus 28th June me. Yes, there is a major difference in how I look, and it's not only a difference in how I look, it is how I feel. I feel lighter, I feel active, I feel so much more energized, and I like literally love workout now. I cannot, because you need to challenge yourself, you guys. If you don't challenge yourself, you one day you will feel, oh, I don't want to do it, I'm not feeling I'm not feeling okay, I don't want to do it, I don't want to. Challenge yourself. And that's why I think Chloe gives you these challenges, because you are also very keen and very focused of how it's going to turn out after basically 2 weeks, 35 days, 30 days. So she has all these programs. So that was it for the video, guys. I hope you liked this video. Chloe Ting is coming up with another challenge, which is a 15-day core challenge, and me and my sister are going to take that challenge. She's not posted all 4 videos yet, but I think she's going to do it by 3rd or 4th of July. Then I'm going to take those 15 days and do that challenge as well. That is a little tough, but nonetheless I'm going to do it and record that as well, record my results for that. Till then, please like, share and subscribe. Comment down below of what else do you want to see, and also hit the bell icon to be notified whenever I post. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.